Taurus, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titingnan natin kung ano yung energies na parating sa inyo ngayong fourth quarter ng 2024, October, November, December. Ayan, let's see what's coming to you, Taurus. Anong parating sa inyo? Okay. If you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang yung information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, Taurus, let's see what's coming to you. Fourth quarter ng 2024. Emotional healing. Wow. So, maaring yung iba sa inyo, marami kayong mga pinagdaanan in the past, you've been crying, you've been so emotional. Minsan, sa TikTok, parang may mga videos dyan na bigla ka nalang maiiyak kasi somehow it resonates with your situation. So, that's also part of your healing. Yung kumonect ka sa emotions mo. Huwag mong hayaan na parang iniiwasan mo yon, no? Kasi that is your way of releasing the trauma. And once you release the trauma, you will heal. Yun yung magpapagaan ng kalooban mo. O, diba? Taurus, meron kang ila-let go. Letting go of anything that no longer serves you. Letting go of that emotion. Letting go of that toxic relationship, toxic environment. Minsan kasi we're holding on to something na hindi naman na talaga para sa atin. Tapos tayo lang nahihirapan. 'Di ba? What else? Oh, ang daming healing sa inyo, Taurus. Heart healing. So, iba sa inyo rito, literal, kung kayo merong heart conditions, you are healing. May mga studies kasi na yung mga kinikimkim natin na sama ng loob, nagmamanifest yan sa ating kalusugan, sa ating health condition. Physically. Kaya, it's time to release that, to heal yourself, to focus on yourself, to take care of yourself. Okay? Let's see what else. 3 of Wands. Wow. So, you are expanding. Expanding your horizon. So, kung may business ka, mas lumalago yung business mo. Mas dadami yung product, services, yung mga clients mo, customers mo. Some of you, kasi mga tools to So, ibig sabihin yan, meron kang mga bagong kaalaman or aalamin, pag-aaralan para mas madagdagan yung iyong skills. Can be any skill. Yung iba sa inyo may iti-take na course sa TESDA. Oo. Tapos magagamit niyo yan na opportunity para makapag-apply sa ibang bansa. May travel opportunities din sa inyo. You have the Empress. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring may baby na parating. Oo, baka mabuntis or yung partner nyo mabuntis. Just take what resonates, no? Ngayong last quarter ng 2024, I also see you na living comfortably, no? Magiging komportable ang pamumuhay mo ngayong fourth quarter. There's abundance, there's growth, there's money is flowing sa inyo. Ace of Pentacles. So you have new business ideas, business opportunities na mag-open ngayong last quarter ng 2024. Pwedeng meron kayong ilo-launch na bagong business, bagong product, bagong service. Yung iba magsisimula sa bagong trabaho ninyo. You have the Apprentice of Cups. Wow. So, some of you, kayo ngayon, mas magiging very creative ngayong last quarter ng 2024. It's like marami kayong matutuklasan sa inyong sarili na, ito pala, magaling pala ako rito. Kailangan ko lang i-improve pag-aralan, i-develop yung talents. Kasi hindi naman natin yan malalaman, no, kung di tayo mag-explore. Oo. Yung mga content creators sa TikTok, paano ba nila nalaman na magiging successful sila na content creator kung hindi nila in-explore yung content creation, 'di ba? Mga nag-aaral diyan. So sa money, career, finances, it's time to face your truth and work on building your reality. So I feel like ngayong last quarter ng 2024, mas magiging practical ka sa decision mo. Sa mga steps na gagawin mo for your career, for your business. Six of Cups, yes. You are also going to focus on what is close to your heart. So, kumbaga, kung mapapagod ka na rin lang, magtatrabaho ka na rin lang, dun na sa bagay, trabaho, career, business na gusto mo talaga. 'Di ba? Na nag-e-enjoy ka. And some of you naman, you will also spend time with your kids kahit na kayo ay may mga trabaho. Maaring mababalance nyo na yan. Pwedeng may opportunity kayo na makapag-work from home o kaya makapag-business sa bahay. At the same time, maasikaso mo yung family mo. Let's see, ano pa. And some of you will also focus on self-love, self-care. Ayan. So, sa love life, may magsusorry sa inyo. Oo. Regretful of their actions. So, pwedeng merong nagawa sa'yo. Can be anyone. No? Romantic relationship, family, friend, na na-realize niya yung nagawa niya. So, nasa sa'yo na yan kung patatawarin mo. I think patatawarin mo. Now, with the Apprentice of Pentacles, it seems like parang you're giving this person a chance to start all over again, to, rebuild the relationship. Oo, maaring, parang hihingi ka rin sa kanya ng assurance na aayusin na niya. Oo. Na kapag may napatunayan siya, then marirealize mo, seryoso siya sa paghingi niya ng tawad. Let go. Oh, let go na naman. Accept the inevitable, let go of the past, and welcome a rebirth to begin. Merong rebirth. It's like a transformation. May mag-e-end, merong magsa-start. So, can be ending a career path, tapos may susubukan kang bago, or any project na nasimulan mo. Use your discernment and fortitude to achieve your goals and find a new rhythm. So, something new ulit. Gagamitin mo raw yung discernment mo, yung kakayanan mo para makapag-desisyon. Yung judgment mo para makapag-desisyon ng best for you. Parang may bago kang style, bagong strategy. Oo, para mag-work yung mga plano mo, yung mga goals mo. Maaring magkaroon ng mga challenges. But ang importante dyan is open ka to resolve it. Open ka na ayusin or open ka na matuto sa challenge na yan. I also see na you are going to heal your inner child. So, maraming way para i-heal natin yung ating inner child. Some of you, pwedeng mas mag-enjoy kayo ngayon. You will have fun. Youth, breaking free. Wow. May enjoy nyo yung mga activities kasama yung mga bata. Lalo na kung may mga anak kayo, pamangkin, your family, you spend more time with your family. I think ito yung makakatulong rin sa inyo to break free and to release, to let go of the things na nagpapabigat ng kalooban ninyo. Can be energies from your past. Leader of the light, where are you being called to serve and support others? So, some of you are of service to others. Maaring kayo ay nasa politics or government, you're a leader. So, maaring merong leadership role sa inyo na naghihintay or mag-o-open ngayong fourth quarter ng 2024 na kung saan meron kayong kakayanan na tumulong sa iba, maggabay sa iba. This can be a spiritual leadership or sa corporate leadership or just within the family. Okay? So you are being called to serve and support others. So that is your reading, Taurus. Thank you so much. Bye.